Um, Tell me a piece of bread. Tell me your mercy. I am a child so young, so sick, and so rugged. Why are you staring at me? With my eyes I cannot see, but I know that you are all staring at me. Why are you whispering to one another? Why? Do you know my mother? Do you know my father? Did you know me 5 years ago? Yes, 5 years of bitterness have passed. I can feel that happiness Mother and I shared with each other. We were very happy indeed. Suddenly, 5 loud knocks occurred on the door and a deep silence ensued. Did the whole neighbors discover a peeking room? Mother ran to please, Louise, ask the cell. They are in the cellar where they cannot find me. I pulled my father's arm, but he did not move. He did not show his foot or look. The door went bang, and before us, 5 ugly came bounding in. Are you Captain Louis Santos? The old youngest in the world. Yes, said my father. You are under arrest, said one of the people. They took Father roughly away from us. Father was not given a chance to bid us goodbye. Followed them mile after mile. Saw a group of Japanese eating. Oh, how our mouth watered, seeing the delicious food they were eating. Then suddenly we heard a voice call, Consuelo, Oscar, Consuelo, Oscar, Consuelo, Oscar. We ran towards the direction of the voice, but it was too late. We saw Father hanging on a tree, dead. Oh, it was terrible. He had been badly beaten before he died. Then they cried, vengeance! 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 Everything went black. The next thing I knew, I was nursing my poor invalid mother. One day we heard the church bell ring. Ding dong, ding dong. It was time for us to find a shelter in her hideout. But I could not leave my invalid mother. I tried to show her the way to the hideout. Then suddenly, bombs started falling. Airplanes were rolling from everywhere. Skylarks were firing from everywhere. Boom! 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 Mother was hit. Her legs were shattered in pieces. I took her gently in my arms and cried, I'll have vengeance! Vengeance! No, of course, vengeance is God. But I cried out, vengeance! I was like a pent-up volcano. No, of course, vengeance is not all. It's God. These were the words from my mother before she died. Mother was dead and I was blind. Vengeance is not all. To forgive is divine, but vengeance is sweeter. That was 5 years ago. 5 years. Tell me a piece of bread. Tell me your mercy. I am a child so young, so sick, and so rugged. Vengeance is not all. It's God. It's God. It's